Okay, you guys, so we made the Detolf, but we didn't attach the door because it's not necessary for a hamster Detolf. We're just gonna make a divider for the middle, which my hubby is making in the backyard. So this is her old, she's in a tank, asleep right there. The other one is also in a tank somewhere. Oh, not in there this time. Oh, I see something moving. Currently they're in there while we make the new one.
So I'm using these old pieces from the bed frame to measure up the sides as well as this side as well. And then we'll measure it up, we'll mark it, we'll cut them, and then we'll drill all the pieces together into a frame for a door for the Detolf. And that will be our hamster Detolf door.
Perfect fit. Now we're just gonna add the mesh on top. So we're just gluing in the divider. Put Gorilla Glue with the dividing glass again. Ashley's side is done. Let's see if she likes it. I think it's way better than the old one. It's way bigger. More room. Now she can get more toys.